Kayla, it's 7:48 now on this Tuesday morning. We're in the lower 70s right now, expecting a warm day. What, mid-80s today, Michelle, right?
Yeah, normal high by the end of August is closer to 80 degrees, Danielle. So we are running a little bit above average, but the dropping humidity should make for a pretty nice summer day for us.
And then all eyes on Ida, right? Moving in?
Yeah, the remnants of that storm going to bring us some heavy rainfall. We're going to time all that out for you. Right now, let's show you the conditions. If you're traveling in or out of Providence via the I-way this morning, your hurricane barrier camera showing off those dry roadways and some clouds still passing through, and we won't completely clear those out. It'll be a partly cloudy sky today. 71 degrees, dew points upper 60s right now. Radar has quieted down after a few thunderstorms over the islands last night and very early this morning. The steadier and heavier rain associated with Ida is still about a day and a half away. You can see that low pressure spinning out of Mississippi and across northern Alabama this morning and eventually headed towards eastern Tennessee and then through the mid-Atlantic region. On that track, heavy rain is going to reach us in southern New England by Wednesday afternoon and lasting into at least the first half of Thursday. So the Thursday morning commute in particular, we're concerned about for some travel impacts. We're under a flash flood watch during that time. It goes until 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon right now. Some of our computer models a little faster bringing it in and moving it out than others. So that's one of the things we'll be watching for today as new data comes in and sort of fine tuning the timing of that. What we do know is that today just going to be warm and dry. Middle 60s. Smithfield, Providence at 71, 70 in Newport. High temperatures headed to around 85 degrees with that mix of clouds and sunshine and a west wind at about 5 to 12 miles per hour. Noontime today already getting up lower to middle 80s, and that's around where we'll be through the afternoon. Then early evening, we're looking at temperatures between about 75 and 82 degrees. So 5 p.m. in Providence around 81, 82 in New Bedford, cooling back into the 60s and 70s as the sun sets this evening and into the overnight hours. So dry conditions expected during the night under partly cloudy skies. We'll talk more about that. If you can swing a beach day, it's a good looking one. 82 degrees, water temperature at 71, surfs 2 to 3 feet. We've got a low rip current risk tonight down to about 67 degrees in the Providence area, a little cooler in some of our outlying areas. So down to about 62 or so in Smithfield, Attleboro, Taunton overnight. Cold front sitting offshore now. That's what's bringing about the lower humidity. And our skies have trouble completely clearing out before Ida moves in. So sunshine mixing with clouds today. That 30-mile-per-hour sustained wind. Storm is expected to continue to lose its tropical characteristics. And so the remnants of it going to be a rainmaker more than anything else. But some very heavy rainfall through Thursday. And see those amounts in the local area around 2 to 4 inches of rain. So again, no weather-related issues for today, tonight, and even tomorrow morning looking at dry conditions. But by tomorrow afternoon, rain chances will start to go up, especially after 3 or 4 in the afternoon. Rain likely Wednesday night, just downpours of rain when you wake up Thursday morning. And then eventually that will be clearing out from west to east by Thursday evening. Rainfall amounts locally 2 to 4 inches of rain, even some isolated higher totals possible. Watch for street flooding and also possibly some stream or river flooding during the day Thursday. Friday through Labor Day weekend, starting off a little bit cooler than normal, but right now looking mainly dry conditions.